Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change the language of your video script using Google Docs. So how you're going to do it? It's pretty easy and simple. So the first thing you need to do is to actually create the video script. Right now, I use ChatGPT to create the video script, and all you need to do is to go back to the doc file and you need to just paste it here. So once you paste all the script right here, the next thing you need to do is to click on tools right here. Then select translate document. Here you can change the title. If you don't want to change it, it's okay. Then click here and all these options will appear. Now you need to select the language that you want to change it. Suppose for me, I want to change it into Chinese, and then I will click on translate. So another tab will open, and here, right here, as you can see, the whole script has been changed into Chinese. So guys, if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.